Disclaimer. So this is a tutorial on how to make a digital scratch paper on Procreate. Now, if you do not have Procreate and you have some other art app, then I cannot help you, and this is for people who have Procreate. Now, if you don't know what digital scratch paper is, you don't need to search it up, because in this video I will be showing you what it is. Not really explaining, just going to Google and showing you. But yeah, so keep watching. Hey guys, it's me Mariah from All Around Miraya, and today I have a brand new video for you guys. So I don't know if you've heard of this thing. I'll actually search it up so I can show you. It's this, like, I don't know what it's called, but it's called scratch paper. I don't know what it's actually called, but it's like, yeah. So technically it's black, and you use these little tools to scratch it, and then you get this like really cool like rainbow pattern thing underneath. And I'm going to be teaching you how to make it digitally in the one and only Procreate. So to start off, we're going to make a canvas of any size. I'm just going to do a screen size one because I find it easier. And we're going to go and choose going to go to layer 1, and we're going to do whatever color we want on the inside. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little like splatter paint. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this soft brush, or I'm going to go to painting and choose spectra, or let's do round brush. See how it works. Okay. I'm going to make the size large, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do little blobs all over, like little blobs of color all over the canvas. So you're just going to do that, and I don't care what color you use, just use like a bunch of colors. Don't just do one color, because then if you scratch it, it's not going to look kind of colorful. So yeah, just do this, keep doing this until the whole canvas is filled with color. If it isn't filled with color, then that won't do, because you need to fill with color so it'll be nice and colorful. Okay, so I've colored the whole thing with color. Okay, no, I haven't, because there are still some things left, okay, so this is what you should end up with. Yes, you may have some little holes, but, you know, just do some random stuff and then, you know, just leave them alone, because that really won't matter, because we need small holes, not too dramatic ones, not too big ones. So yeah, once you've done with that, you're going to click on this little magic wand tool next to the wrench and this S thing, but we don't need that. So I click on the magic wand tool, go to Gaussian blur right here, and choose layer. This is also a Procreate update if you don't know. So what I do is just going to slide until you like it. So just slide it until all the colors mix. Find how you like it. And keep doing this. You should have something that looks like a bath of unicorn. This looks like unicorn bath, so there. Right, if you don't like it, then just do it again. But yeah, I'm quite happy with this. Okay, so now, I don't need a notification, please. Now you're going to click on the layer tab and add a layer by clicking on the plus button. It doesn't really matter what you use. Now you're going to choose any color you like. I'm going to do black because that's what the original things are like. Choose airbrushing, go to soft brush, and do the size to 100, and boom! It should be all black. There you go. It's black. And now I'm going to go onto the rubber tool. Now, let's see what happens. So choose, tap with 4 fingers on the screen so it goes away. And look what can happen. You've got some rainbow scratch paper. Do whatever size or brush you want, just do this. And then you got a really cool rainbow color. The rainbow sensational, and that's technically how you make digital scratch paper. Now I'll show you one of that I've made in my normal art section. I have digital scratch paper right here. Now, if you've already written on it and you're like, oh dang, how do I undo this? Simple. go to the brush icon and just color it in black again. Then go back here and choose whatever one you want. I'm going to choose script and see how it works. We'll try doing some calligraphy writing. Hello. Boop, boop, boop. And that's how you make digital scratch paper. I'll write down. Digital scratch paper. Now, I honestly don't know how to do this on any other app like MS Paint or Adobe Illustrator. All I need is to do this on Procreate. So if you do not have an Apple device or do not have Procreate, I can't help you. So that's technically the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe this video if you liked it or loved it. And I'll see you next time. Wait. Good. Bye. Okay, seriously, bye.